If you have been wondering how can you verify your phone number on Roblox, you are in the right place because today in this video, I won't only show you how can you verify your number, I'm gonna even show you how can you add a phone number to your Roblox account in mobile. So let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. We need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Roblox game updated to the latest version for this method to work properly and for everything to work smoothly. So once you get that done, you can finally quit the store and go ahead and open your Roblox game, and of course make sure you are logged in and wait for the app to fully load up. So here, once the app fully loads up, we need to go to your settings. So we need to tap on the gear icon in the top right corner right next to the bell icon right here. From the screen, scroll down and tap on the gear icon, that is the settings category right here. So from settings, you need to tap on account info. Now wait for this page to load up completely. Once it does, right here, you might find this red button that says add phone because the phone number is missing. So all you need to do from here is to tap on add phone right next to it, the one in black, not the one in red. And then once you tap here, you get a list of codes or country codes. Choose yours. After choosing yours, you need to type in your phone number correctly right there. Then tap on add phone. Wait for a couple of seconds, and now for you need to complete this human verification. It's just a little silly game. It's very easy, just to go ahead and play it real quick and then tap on submit right there. Once you complete the verification, from here you need to type in the password or the code actually that you received to your phone number via text probably, and then go ahead and tap on verify now. Wait for a couple of seconds, and just like that, you have added a phone number and it is verified also. And that is pretty much for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Tell me what you think in the comments. Has it helped you? And of course, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like and comment down below. Also, subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.